Hello everyone, and welcome to this course on Mac Security for Enterprise. I'm really glad you joined this course and hope you'll enjoy it and learn many things. So, what are the goals of this training? To start, we will understand the basics about macOS, because of course, the main topic here will be security of Mac. But before we deep dive into the security part, it's better to understand all the basic parts about macOS. Right. Then we will review, of course, all the relevant security features of Mac, learn all the best practices for securing a Mac in your environment, check how to push those security configurations that we will check, and overview the difference between each main UEM solutions on the market right now, because it's basically the main way to manage a Mac right now in a company or in a school. But before we talk about all that, let me present myself a little bit. So I'm Jérémy Tumorel, I'm based in France, and I'm a modern device management expert. I'm specialized in macOS management, and I'm certified on Jamf, Workspace ONE, Mobile Iron, and Intune, which are the main UEM solutions tools right on the market right now, basically. Okay, I have some system, network, and security background, and that's about all on my side. So now, let's go back to the course. So let's speak a little bit about the roadmap. Like I mentioned, first, we will speak about Mac operating system, so all the basic information like components of Mac. So system extension, privacy settings, and so on. You'll see many things there. Then we will go over all the security layers on the Mac, on the hardware level and on the software level. Then we will speak a little bit about differences between macOS and Windows. For those of you who are more comfortable with Windows, this might help you to understand a little bit more how a Mac works. Okay. Then we will learn how to manage a Mac in an environment. Okay. How we could do it, for example, with a UEM, with ABM. We will see all those details. And then the security recommendations. Okay. So basically, when we will know how a Mac operating system works, all the security layers we have, and how to manage a Mac, we will combine all those information to know, okay, how we can push the security configuration we've seen on the Mac. And here we will have two different scenarios, like the basic security settings you should apply on the Mac, and the more restricted security one on a hardened environment, maybe. Okay. And to finish, we will, of course, speak a little bit about useful tools and leaks that every Mac admin should have. Right? So this is about it for the roadmap. About the prerequisites, so you might need a test macOS device. It's not mandatory, but it's better if you have it so that you can check on your side everything that I'm going to show you. And if you want to test some things, you can do it. Okay. If you have a UEM or MDM on your side, it would be really good also to do some tests about what I'm going to show you. If you do not, maybe you could try to have a trial on an editor such as Jamf or any other MDM. If not, it's okay, I will show you anyway. It's good to have also a code editor, such as CodeRunner or Atom. I'm going to use CodeRunner, but it's a paid one, so there's a lot on the market which are free, such as Atom. And a playlist editor, you can do it also with a code editor, but it's more clear to do it with a playlist editor, such as Xcode is a free one, but it's really heavy. I'm going to use playlist editor, but it's a paid one, but you'll see it's really nice to use and light. Right, enough with the introduction. Let's switch to the course. I hope guys you're ready, and let's switch to the first section.